Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to make a photo dome on a CapCut application. So first thing you have to do, open your CapCut, and now to make a photo dome, it will be so easier when you can go into the template. In this template, you just need to go in the search button, a photo dome. And after you find it, just need to go click search. Now you already have like several templates that you can use for your photo dome content. So I would also suggest you that you need to use the template that already used by a lot of people, such as this one, the visual shots. Just need to click it, and after that go click use template, and now you just need to choose which video that you want to add into this template as like your photo dome collections. Just follow all of the instruction. And after that, just click preview. And after you're done, you just need to go click export. Now you can save and share to TikTok to save this photo dump video without any watermark, or you can also use save into your device, but there will be a CapCut watermark on it. It's all up to you. So that's the way how to create a photo dump on a CapCut, guys. It's so easy and simple. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.